Switching to a new Tracfone, here's how to move your important data. As of 2025, the easiest methods involve using cloud services or Tracfone's recommended tools like the Verizon Mobile Transfer app. This app, compatible with both Android and iOS, wirelessly transfers photos, contacts, and even some apps over Wi-Fi. For SMS messages, third-party apps like SMS Backup and Restore are your best bet. The main types of data you'll want to transfer are photos, contacts, apps, and SMS messages, and each has their own methods of being transferred. Security is important, so ensure you're on a secure Wi-Fi network and consider enabling two-factor authentication for your cloud backups. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Let's break down the transfer process for each data type. Photos. Back up your photos to Google Photos or iCloud on your old phone. On your new phone, simply sign into the same account to access them. Alternatively, if your old phone has an SD card, you can copy the photos to it and then insert the card into your new phone. Contacts. Sync your contacts with your Google account on Android or iCloud on iOS. Your contacts will automatically appear on your new phone when you sign in. You can also export contacts as a CSV file and import them to your new phone, but this method is more complex. Apps. Reinstall your apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your new phone. Note that you may need to repurchase paid apps if they're not linked to the same account. Game data may need separate backups via in-app settings. SMS. Use the SMS Backup and Restore app on Android to back up your messages to your Google Drive. Install the app on your new phone and restore the messages from Google Drive. For iOS to Android, try iSMS to Droid, though it may require technical knowledge. Always double-check that the transfer is complete and all data is accounted for before you recycle or dispose of your old phone.